Kamusta mga mommies? Ito na naman ako, si Super Mommy Cinch. Ngayon gagawa tayo ng fluffy banana pancakes. These are the ingredients. 2 overripe bananas, 2 fresh eggs, we need baking powder, baking soda. Transferred ko ang baking soda sa isang container para hindi siya lagi nandito sa box. And then, raisins, vanilla flavor, and all-purpose flour. Let's go. So, ang gagawin natin, tatanggalin natin yung tatanggalin natin yung first thing that we have to do, crack the egg. And then, sasaluhin natin yung egg yolk. I'm not perfect at this, so please be nice. Okay. So, saluhin natin yung egg yolk at lalagyan natin ng egg white sa lalagyan. Yan. Oops, nadurog na. We need 2 eggs for this. Next, challenge to mga bes. Oops. I am not good at this. Oh, sorry po. Yan, ng egg white. Saluhin natin. Kasi wala po akong pangsalo ng egg yolk. Ayan, na-break na siya. So, pwede rin siguro yung kamay natin. Like so. Then, balik natin. Kunin lang natin to. So, that's it. We need only 2 eggs for this. Make sure that your hands are clean. So, tayo ay magpapa-fluffy ng ating egg white. Once na nagkaroon ng bula-bula yung egg whites natin, nagdagdag tayo ng sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then we continue until it becomes glossy. Now, pag na-achieve na natin yung glossy texture ng ating egg white, lagyan natin ng suka. Approximately, nasa 1 teaspoon. Pa-check up. So, ganito yung consistency niyan na hindi bumabagsak. So, ready na tayo pa sa next step. Next step, mamash natin yung bananas. You need overripe bananas. Kasi, nagbibigay ito ng tamis. Tanggalin natin yung mga spots na yan. Lagyan natin ng 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. Lagyan natin yung egg yolks para hindi sayang. Scrape this. Then we add 1 cup of flour. Next, baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Next, we add the baking soda. This is 1/2 teaspoon. So we mix this all up together. Nalalagay tayo ng konting water. We can add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Wait lang. So, lagyan na natin yung meringue. Then we fold it in. Ito ay in 2 additions lang. And then, sasama na natin isabay yung raisins. Pampadagdag din ng tamis yun. Because I did not put any sugar here. Ang magpapatamis lang ay yung syrup later at yung bananas. Overripe bananas. Siguro 2 pouches. So, nagdagdag ulit ako para mas marami yung yung ating feeling, kumbaga. So, this is okay. We should not overmix kasi mawawala yung fluffiness nito. And then, we will prepare our pan. Grease it with oil or margarine or butter. Dapat low fire lang. So, pag nag-brown na ilalim nun, obviously, pwedeng i-flip. Next. There you have it. I hope that banana pancakes. I hope that you enjoy watching, and I hope that you will be able to do this and get inspired to this recipe of mine. Kain tayo! Breakfast is ready! Come and get it! Sarap yan! Sarap ba? Sarap po. Thumbs up. Ikaw, Sam. Hiwain natin. Hiwain. Laki naman yan. Ano, masarap ba? Sam? Hindi. Nagustuhan mo ba?
Di ba si Sid pinangalan sa kanya? At pinibigyan niya.
Kita nyo ba yan? Usual na pancake ay hindi ganito thick. Dahil to naging thick kasi naging fluffy pancake yan. Kahit na medyo nag-aalangan tayo kasi soggy kapag nilagyan ng banana at ng raisins. Pero fluffy pa rin siya because of the meringue na nilagay natin. So, tikman ko. Ulit. Sarap. Hindi ko nalagyan ng sugar pero matamis pa rin kasi may syrup na kaming nilagay. And matamis yung banana plus additional sweet taste because of the raisins. So, I hope you enjoy. Tikman nyo at gawin nyo sa bahay. Gawin nyo at tikman nyo pala.